Gram-gram yung gram. Grade 11 ba?
Letter 32 is ready up. Melon 32 ready up. Yes, sir.
Iba pakita mo sa akalawa mo anak. Iba pakita mo sa anak.
Okay, what are you looking at? Sorry, that's not so that's a random person or stranger in my house or something who wants to play in our house. Huh? I just woke up. Whoa, what is this? Melon, you in laboratory once. This time you are a human. Oh.
Wawa yan, wawa.
Okay.
Wawa.
There's nothing at the right. Okay. I don't know what this place. Huh? There's another letter. What you said? Wait, I'm done to saying that girl or some non-state. Here goes some knives and gun. Protect yourself. Okay. I hope I don't take it. Okay. Whoa! I can survive at the night! Wait, what? I can survive at the night! This is the best day ever! Okay. I'm mad at the stranger, okay. A knife! Oh, yeah! This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. I think this is the best day ever. This is the best day ever. Okay. Okay lang yan.
Grabe mag-explore sa pagkakyato. Pati yung mga ano talaga, tinitingnan nyo. Boy!
What?
Ulol! Nakita niya ground.
Okay.
Ito kung makita nyo, may
Yep. Watching this before, guys. Oh, again, I not seen it before. I not seen this before in my life. Yep. Wait. What? That's a disappeared. That. What? A gun? A box? Huh? Woohoo!
Ayan. Pipicturean ko lang to.
Ooh. Another
Ayan.
pumpkin is now here. Dun 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 dun.
Ayan. Ito yung pinaka nasa una.